Fire in the hole. Oh yeah. It'll get lit. Well, hello folks. Hope everyone has an awesome Tuesday. Alright. What do we got cooking today? Pork and beans. And some wieners. Oh yeah, gonna drop them all on the ground. You know what, I'm okay with that. I have yet to do anything too extravagant with the Canteen Cup Tuesday collaboration. So far I've been keeping it simple. I mean, that's what I do when I'm out there. Just keep it simple. So I'm not gonna sit here and act like I would make extravagant meals when I'm outside. Because that's just not how it goes down. Oh yeah. Dang wrapper. Alright. So, get down to business here. This week's collaboration, we have Happy Trails Hiking, Journey of Bear, Kurt Zitzelman, Adam Outdoors, M and the Gang, Vandy's Call to Adventure, and me, myself, and I. Please check out the description in the box down there. If you'd like to get in on the collaboration part, where we mention everybody and add your channel to the playlist and everything like that, make sure you read the description. Get in touch with Happy Trails Hiking or M and the Gang. Doing a great job putting all this stuff together, and you know, a lot of people do this video, but not many are like really wanting to get in on the whole collab idea. I think it would help everybody out if they did, and you know, it's a little more fun. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes when this is cooked up and ready to eat. Alright folks, check this out. Got a nice boil going on. That stuff is ready, good to go. Makeshift stove, coffee can. Use my grinder, cut a door, put a hinge on it. Used some metal wire to attach the hinge and make a little doorknob. So when this coffee can's done, I can take that hinge off and use it on another one. This wire right here, it's like a kind of fencing wire kind of, so I can take that off and put it on the next can as well when this thing rusts out. Good to go. Wow. Canteen Cup Tuesday. Oh yeah. And dropping everything. Alright. Cups. For me and my lady. She don't feel too good, so filming this one solo, folks. There we have it. No. Get. She's ready to snatch something, folks. Get. There it is, everybody. Canteen Cup Tuesday. See you guys later on the next one, and make sure you check out the description box and the other Canteen Cup collabs. Alright, guys? See you later.